So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get Apple Intelligence on literally any iPhone out there for completely free. And this is going to be a very quick and easy process. As of now, Apple Intelligence officially is only available for iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max, or 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max that are running iOS 18.1. So if you don't have any of that device, if you have iPhone 14, let's say, iPhone 13 Pro Max, or any other iPhone, you can still get Apple Intelligence because Apple Intelligence is basically ChatGPT. It's basically integration of ChatGPT into your device. All right, so first and foremost, guys, you're gonna go ahead and open up your App Store and then look up Shortcuts. If you don't have it installed, you're gonna go ahead and install it and make sure you're running the latest version. This is the application, native app from Apple. Once you have downloaded that, next thing that you're gonna download is the ChatGPT. So if you go ahead and download ChatGPT app, this one right here, make sure you have the latest version. Right now, I don't have it, so I'm gonna click on update. Right there, as you guys can see, quickly updated, and those two applications should be on your device. Once you do have those two applications, you're gonna go ahead and open up right here. I'm gonna go to my app library and look up Shortcuts and click on Shortcuts. This is how the shortcuts will look like. If you don't have any shortcuts that you have already made, it's gonna be empty. You're gonna go ahead, first things first, click on that plus icon right there, and then you're gonna look up right here, search actions. You're gonna look up ChatGPT. You're gonna click on this open ChatGPT voice right here, as you guys can see. Once you've done that, click on done and then close this application and then go to your settings right here. Go ahead, open up your settings, scroll down where it says action button. So if you do have a device that has the action button, this is the first method. You're gonna go ahead and find shortcut from here and make sure you select shortcut and then click on right here. You can just select which shortcut to run when you click on the action button. I'm gonna go ahead and choose open ChatGPT. If you don't have it already available here, you can just scroll through and find from here as well. Go ahead, click on this, and boom, you should be all set to go. Now check it out. Now if I just click on this action button, what is 2 plus 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6.
So stuff like this, you guys can literally get access to that AI. What is 2 plus 2 plus 2? So stuff like this right here, as you guys can see. But the second method is, if you don't have the action button, don't worry. It's gonna be very easy. Go ahead, lock your device and hold on your lock screen. Click on customize, click on your lock screen, and then click on right here. And then from here, you're gonna click on add widget and scroll all the way down where it says ChatGPT. Once you open this, you're gonna swipe here and find out you have the voice one right here. Make sure you select the voice and then click on it. And it should be the one with that icon right there. And click on done. And now, if you don't have an action button, you can just press on this. And you can ask any questions. What's the diameter of the Earth?
The diameter of the Earth is about 12,742 kilometers, or about 7,000.
You guys get the idea. This is how you can get the Apple Intelligence or ChatGPT integrated into your iPhone, any iPhone that are out there. I hope this short video was really helpful and useful for you guys. You guys can ask any questions in the ChatGPT that you would ask on Apple Intelligence. Literally the same thing. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a big thumbs up because it really helps the channel out. And also subscribe down below for more interesting content just like this one. I'll catch you guys next video. In the meantime, check out these videos. Peace out.